Hey friend, welcome back. And in this section I wanted to show you a little bit about my wavy hair journey. One thing that I didn't know that I had was wavy hair. I felt like I was forcing my wavy hair, but now I'm at the point where I'm not convinced that my hair is just wavy. I was looking at the curl chart and I really do believe that my hair is curly, but I haven't fully let it be curly every single day. If you're serious about getting your wavies and your curlies back, then we need to reset your curls. The very first thing that you have to do is get the right conditioner, the right shampoo, a treatment, some sort of thing that's going to help your curls be hydrated again. And I can link a video on how to correctly wash your hair. Whether you have curlies or not, you still need to learn how to wash your hair. After that, you need to have really good styling products that's going to be specifically for your hair type. So if you don't quite know if your hair is curly or wavy, you may start getting to see a few waves, but the best way to get those defined waves is going to be that scrunch. I've pretty much showed you how to do that, but your hair needs to be super wet. In this case, I usually do my hair right out of the shower. I didn't have time, my hair was a little bit dry, I was getting frizzy, so I re-wet it, saturated it in water. Then I added my mousse and I topped it off with gel. I did have to go to a doctor's appointment with my child, so I did let it air dry, and as you can tell, it looks pretty good. Right now, what I want to focus on is making sure that I don't touch it, which is my main problem. I also got a little bit of oil spray on my hand. Usually I put regular oil, but the spray mist, it's like a glossy mist infused in oil, and I like to do that in my hand because it's less heavy, because it's only the first day that I washed it. If you really want to focus on getting your semi-straight frizzy hair to get to wavy, or even from wavy to curly, the main thing you have to understand is to be consistent, take your time, and the more you take your time on your very first wash, you'll be able to refresh it and your curls will look immaculate.